Hey guys, welcome to TeG's Guru. Today we'll be learning how to redeem coupon codes on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem coupon codes on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the coupons and offers option available for us. Just below your reviews, tap on coupons and offers, and when you land over here again, guys, you can see there it says the enter coupon code box over here. There's the box where it says enter your coupon code over here. Now in order to redeem your coupon code, enter the code which is available on your coupon, and after entering your code, at the right side you can see the apply button available for us. Tap on the apply button at the right side of this box, and the net worth of that coupon code will be redeemed and added to your account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to redeem coupon codes on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.